Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to keep you up on today's traffic and construction as usual. See what's going on with the traffic and the construction, because it is still going on. There is still a lot going on, so stay tuned and stay with me, and we're going to take you a look around the neighborhood. And while I'm doing that, today's time and temperature check. Today is Tuesday, June 7th, and it is the year 2022, and it is 2:31 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's like 65 degrees and a little bit cool today. For those of you who are inclined about it, we're going to take a look over here and see what's going on. So this is the traffic going on right now and construction. As you can see, this is what they got so far. That's what they got done so far. So how's everybody's day been going? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's staying safe and going to work, making that money, like myself. Doing all that good stuff. Gotta work and make a living. Because where else is gonna money come from? So we are headed down to the other side here. See what's popping. We got a truck coming down. Excuse the wind if it's too windy. Let me see if I can put it on this one. Maybe that volume will help a little bit. I don't know if you guys like that volume, but I put it on a different setting. So let me know in the comments below if that volume sounds better, or just put it on high. Let me know if that sounds better. We're going to turn right over there, and like I said, we're going to keep the videos coming, because it's been nice out lately. So on my days off, we're going to keep the videos coming. If you guys are into my content, if you guys like my videos, like I say, please like, share, and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. These are all the mailboxes they got lined up that they put here for the time being. And these nice Caterpillar trucks they got here. Looks like we're going deep into the war zone here. They are doing here. As you can see, there's a fresh, wet cement that they put down here. I can't walk on that. People working over there. I'm on top of the, I'm on top, as you can see, walking on this cement thing, so I can get a better view of this construction site here. There's a lot going on still. A lot going on, folks. We're tearing up this whole entire road too. It's like a war zone happened over here. Hey, look, they got a dresser drawer sitting there in the middle of this construction. Anybody wants a dresser drawer? There you go. We're gonna try to see if we can adjourn over there a little bit closer. We got a little bit closer to the action here. A little miniature digger right there. That's cute. Oh man, come on, son. The sun just went away. And the sun is coming back out a little bit. The sun makes it feel much better. This is so cool. See, this construction guy's got, this is a huge, huge, huge project that's probably not going to be getting done until about next year or maybe the end of the summer. Because there is definitely a whole lot more to do. Looks like they're putting like a sidewalk stuff like that. I'm not really sure. So we'll just see what's going on here. A lot of construction. This guy got just walked around to see what I was doing. Looks like. Look at this little miniature digger thing. It's a small one. Wish I could get more closer, but I can't. I don't want to be in the way of their, I don't want to walk in no wet cement or get in trouble if I get hurt. Because, yeah. I can't get over those. Those are so tiny. So adorable. Like a little kid can drive those things. That's hilarious. We're back over at the other side. See what's going on over here. Excuse the loudness. These trucks are super duper loud. See how the traffic flow is doing with this construction. As you can see, there's a whole crew over there. Traffic flow. Seems to be okay. Maybe tomorrow, if it's not raining, I'll go over by that main area where I'm usually at. That's where all the big stuff is happening. Coincidentally, this video will be out today, so you guys can view it and enjoy it. It'll be uploaded today for you guys. But like I say, if you guys enjoy my content, if you like what I do, please like, share, and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. I would appreciate you guys. Gotta scoop up that dirt. We're actually getting back to work now. Well, that'll do it for today's video, you guys. If you like my content, if you like what I do, please like, share, and subscribe, as I always say. I greatly appreciate that, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this video will be out today, so comment below and let me know what you think of today's video, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.